In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Bybit card to PayPal. Before you begin, make sure you have your Bybit card details ready. This will help the process go smoothly and save you time once you're inside PayPal. You'll typically need the card number, expiration date, and security code, so it's a good idea to have that information available before moving forward. Once you're ready, open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. This is where PayPal lets you manage your payment methods, including cards and bank accounts. If you're using the app or the website, the layout may look slightly different, but the Wallet area is where you'll want to be. Inside Wallet, look for the option that says Link a Card and click on it. This will open the form where you can add your card information. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered exactly as it appears on your card. Even a small mistake like a wrong digit or incorrect expiration date can cause the card to be rejected. Now enter your Amex card details and then click Save. After you do that, PayPal will attempt to add the card to your account. If the details are correct and the card is supported, it should be linked successfully in just a few moments. After the card has been added, PayPal will usually send a small test transaction to verify the card. This is a normal part of the process, and it's done to confirm that the card is active and can be used. In some cases, this temporary charge may disappear automatically after verification, so don't be alarmed if you see a small amount appear briefly. If verification is required, just follow any prompts PayPal gives you on screen. Also, make sure your billing details match what's associated with the card, because mismatched information can sometimes prevent the card from being linked properly. And that's it. Once the verification is complete, your Bybit card should be ready to use through PayPal for eligible payments. If PayPal doesn't accept the card right away, double-check the information you entered and try again carefully. That's all for this video.